Hey guys, welcome all of you to this particular session, this particular video. And this particular video is I'm going to answer something which has been asked, many times it has been asked into my webinars. It has been asked in general parlance. It has been asked into various, online community forums and everywhere. Can you do affiliate marketing without a website? So before I answer this particular question, if you want to really learn about affiliate marketing, if you really learn what are the ways to do an affiliate marketing, what's the right way of doing affiliate marketing, I would like to invite you into my live webinars. So like today, it's my live webinar. After an hour, I'll be conducting my live webinar. And you can find the registration link in the description, above or below this particular video. So you can join in. It's a 90-minute session. You can learn everything about affiliate marketing. And regarding this particular question, I'm going to answer this, that can you do without a website? So let's understand a bit of background about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing got started, and in case I'm doing this live, you are here with me live in this particular session, just you can say a hi in the comment box, and I would like to speak out your name and welcome you to this session and be here. I'm going to give you the answer that can you do affiliate marketing without a website, because this has been asked many a times. This question has been asked in many different forums. So let's look at the background of the affiliate marketing. This particular affiliate marketing industry got started way back in 1989, when even the cookie system, the computer system was not even there, and the affiliate marketing got started by William J. Tobin in 1989. When this affiliate marketing got started, the major point was to give incentives to the people who are the users. So they become the brand ambassadors, and they promote it to their families and relatives and everything, and they can earn a part of the revenue, part of the commissions. Later on, with the advent of computers, website, blogging, entrepreneurship, so many things happened on. So traditionally, affiliate marketers are known as publishers. A lot of people call them as publishers. If you go to marketplaces like Commission Junction and everywhere you sign up for an affiliate account, you will find that affiliate marketers are publishers. Why? Because the job of an affiliate marketer is to publish the offer on the website, on the blog site. So anybody can travel to the blog site or to the website, can click that particular offer which they see as an advertisement there, and reach out to the respective company's product page and everything, and they can buy the offer like that. Okay, so traditionally speaking, yes, affiliate marketing is all about publishing, so you are required to do the publishing kind of a thing. That is why you will keep on hearing this thing that for affiliate marketing you need a blog site, for affiliate marketing you need a blog site. But what I want to recommend here and what I want to mention out here is, see, blog site is important as far as your brand building is concerned. Like for me, to tell people that I have a blog site by the name rachitsethi.com is quite easy. Although I don't write much blogs. I'm a blogger. I started my blogging way back in 2011, but my more focus these days is all about the digital content. I create videos more than I write the blogs. And I do affiliate marketing in every sense. I do affiliate marketing. So blogging will help you to build your brand reputation, to build your brand standing, to build your name. That's great, but that's not the only way of doing affiliate marketing, and that's not the only mandate way of doing affiliate marketing. I give you the 3 best strategies of doing affiliate marketing without any website. You really don't need it. Website, you build it over a period of time. When you start doing the affiliate marketing, you can start build up. You can build a website of your own, or you can have a one-pager website, kind of a funnel page. You can also build up. But to just get started, you really don't need to have a website before you start. What you can do is, you can see, the premise of affiliate marketing is always that you should find the like-minded people. You should be a part of the community, build a community of the like-minded people who have a common challenge, and you, being the leader of that community, are helping them to sail through that common problems, and of course introducing the respective or the required products and services to them. So instead of focusing on building a website first and then trying out affiliate marketing, why don't you try build a social community? You got Facebook, you got Telegram, you got WhatsApp, you got wherever, Facebook groups, Facebook pages, you got WhatsApp, and maybe LinkedIn group or something like that. You can make a social place, a social forum where you start educating people about your niche. Suppose you have a niche of website development and you want to do an affiliate marketing. In a website development thing, the knowledge what you carry is how to build a website, how to select the best hosting, how to select the best domains, what is SSL certificate, what is Linux thing, what is WordPress, what is Wix, and all that stuff. Why don't you find the people who are the website developers or who want to become website developers, or somebody who really wants to learn how to build a website of his own, to a common place on a social media? There you start giving them the value and teaching them about what is that and what is not, and then you can slowly and gradually introduce your products also, which you recommend to them to buy. Suppose you recommend a platform like GoDaddy or a Namecheap or whatever platform you recommend to buy them the domains, and why you recommend that, you can tell them, and they will be, whenever they need to pick up this domain, they will be picking up as per your recommendation, as per recommended your link. That's one place you can do. So you don't need a website for that, and you can do affiliate marketing. Place number two. Place number two is you can also explore the opportunities of building community forums on places like Quora and Reddit. You can do there also. There also you can find opportunities where you can really make your own space, make your own community, and like-minded people will join that communities, and you can give enough value to them every single day. You can write blogs on Quora and all that stuff, and definitely you have a business to make even without any kind of a website. And the number three way, which is the most preferred way as per me, and it's absolutely free for the first 500 subscribers. You can get 500 members, and you can build your own social media platform. I think that is the most killer way of really doing it, doing affiliate marketing. Why? Because now you are running an account on Facebook, and Facebook does not like your policies. Facebook does not like you to send this kind of message. Facebook does not like something, or something happened to Facebook over a period of time. You will not be able to continue and sustain that particular community because that platform is not stable for you. Like we had a ban on TikTok in India, so you know that. So a lot of TikTok fans or TikTok influencers got into trouble because of this thing. So if you learn to build your own social media platform, nothing can beat you. What I recommend a website called Tribe. You can just check that link also given in the description box. It is free till you get 500 members into your community, and only after that you have a paid plan, which is a kind of a mandatory paid plan afterwards. Having your own social media will give you enough room, enough scope to inspire people, to get contributions from people, to inspire people, to get contributions from people, to really have so much of things getting along, getting towards you. So these are my three topmost three recommendations for you, and this is my exact answer I want to give to every one of you watching it live or recorded session. That yes, you can do affiliate marketing without a website. Website is an add-on to it. Website is something which will help you to get a lot of traffic from Google over a period of time, because you write up a content, and content always remains there on the Google, and Google can always give you the traffic back towards your blog site and everything. But apart from that, it's not a mandate to start with. Even if you don't have a website, even still you can do. A lot of people do affiliate marketing only by YouTube. They don't have a blog site of their own. They just buy a domain name to route their customers, route their links and all that stuff, but they don't build any kind of a blog site. So anything is possible. Everything is possible in this digital business these days, this day and age. Okay. So this is the message I have for all of you guys who has this question that can you do affiliate marketing without a website? I think yes, you can do without a website, because the main criteria is not a website. The main criteria is what value you bring to people's life, what is that you can do for them, and why they should take your recommendations. And if you want to learn more, you can find the webinar sign up link below or above this particular video. Register for it, spend 90 minutes with me in my live webinar session where I will decode everything in front of you, and I'll give you the right way of doing it. I don't want you to keep struggling while you do affiliate marketing. Don't do that. Learn the right way and do it the right way. That's the solution I want to give to you today, guys. So thank you very much for being here. Thank you everybody who is live and who has been who's watching this as a recorded session. And if you're attending my webinar, upcoming live webinar, I'll catch up with you guys live. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care and God bless. Bye bye.